There was a time when all we cared to see were the Alpenglow Mountains, the rich flowing rivers, the climbs and runs, the blue sky sunlight, good times nightlife, the beauty, the bounty, the place we call Bend. But that is changing. We are coming to understand this is more than a place to escape to. This community is an entire world to engage with. And whether you are here for a short trip or the long haul, you have an impact. Which is why Visit Bend through the Bend Sustainability Fund is making its priority to give back. Because it's our responsibility to ensure that this place and all its wild and urban beauty is here for the enjoyment of the next generation. From creating new hiking, mountain biking, and ski trails to investing in urban and the Warm Springs communities, the Bend Sustainability Fund is investing into the community we love. The Bend Sustainability Fund, taking care of the places that take care of us.